All right, what's in the box? Today we're going to be unboxing a Smallrig Matte Box, specifically the Multifunctional Modular Matte Box from Smallrig. If you want to get technical with it, it's a Smallrig Star Trail Lightweight Multifunctional Modular Matte Box ND Filter Bundle Set. Whew, that's a mouthful. Anyways, this is what comes in the box. Comes with the matte box, of course, lens hood, top flag, all the different adapter rings for your lens, whatever lens you're going to be using. Filter frame, which is going to be, of course, a 4x5.65. The virtual filter kit, ND filter, of course, rod supports, and a carrying bag. Let's go ahead and check it out. Woo! All right. Wow, it does come in a really nice bag. Okay. So it comes in a nice case to keep it nice and safe. Wow, this is great. So all your filter sizes are all going to be inside a little pouch here. This is the variable ND filter kit. And of course your matte box system with the top flag and a bottom rail system so you can hook it up to your Smallrig rig setup pretty much. So, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set this bad boy up real quick. Probably gonna just speed up the video here just to kind of keep it rocking and rolling. Yeah, Smallrig knows how to shrink wrap their stuff, I'll tell you that. Holy cow, okay. All right, so let's figure out how this is gonna slide on here. It looks like, yep, just like that. You can remove your filter accessory piece right here. We'll put it and put it off on the side here. Okay, so actually this piece is magnetic, so this whole back piece actually comes off. So if you want to just go ahead and use filters, you can, but this pops right off. And I believe what happens next, I'm just gonna take this off because we're not gonna be really using that guy. I believe what we're gonna do is gonna pop this guy in like so. Yep, pops right in. Wow, it's got a nice chunk to it. And then we're gonna lift these up once more. So you want to make sure it kind of seats in place. Make sure that's good. And then it locks right in. Boom. Now the cool thing about this, of course, with the Star Trail system, or if anything else, it's got a built-in virtual ND filter. So as you can see here, it makes it lighter or darker. So what that means is if you attach a nice lens and you want to shoot wide open and get that separation, the depth of field, without sacrificing the cost of light, being overexposed, you can go ahead and dial it in just like any other ND filter and balance expose your shot accordingly. Of course, this is going to be great for photos and videos. So again, this is the Smallrig Star Trail Lightweight Multifunctional Modular Matte Box ND Filter Bundle Set. And again, that's a mouthful. You can find this product on our website at bncamera.com. Check the pricings and you can go ahead and order it right now.